assignments at home that is related with the new letter sound that we learned before. It's letter sound In the next video, please prepare the paper that I have given to you to do the assignment. So the first one, you need to write 5 words that have letter sound and then your second assignment is practice to write letter sound again. Check it out.
Hi students, today we are going to write some words with letter sound Please get ready with the paper and the pencil and listen to the words that I say. Number 1, starts with letter sound her. Number 2, start with v. B. Verb. Number 3, start with d. Dinner. Number 4, starts with w. Winter. Number 5, starts with painter. On this worksheet, we are going to practice to write letter sound Can you see the pictures? There are gingerbread and mixer. The word ginger has letter sound and the word mixer has letter sound Now, please practice tracing letter sound and repeat again, writing the letter sounds that we have learned before. For example, của, ao, oi, you. If you are done with that part, please look at the pictures here. Listen carefully. 3 of these pictures have an sound in them. Cross out the one that does not have letter sound This is a spider. Spider. The word spider has letter sound This is a tiger. Tiger. The word tiger has letter sound This is a letter. Letter. The word letter has sound This is a kite. Kite. Does kite have sound No. So give a cross to the picture of a kite. Next, look at these words that has letter sound but one of them doesn't have letter sound It is only Let's practice to read these words. Listen and repeat. Verb. Verb. Can you say verb? Very good. Winter. Winter. Can you say winter? Good job. Mitten. Mitten. Can you say the word mitten? Very good.
So that was the lesson about the new letter sound for today. I will see you again in the next new letter sound. Bye!